I've got some sausages. I've got a can of beans. I've got a can of tomatoes. A few other bits, a few spices, let's have it. I've got some bell peppers there, 2 cups, and 2 cups of broccoli. You can use something else if you want. Think about maybe some mushrooms or some corn. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon each. Paprika, I'm using smoked, chili powder, cumin, oregano. So let's start off with our sausages. Now I've got 6 there. They're pork with leek and black pepper. You can use anything you like, pork, chicken, beef, up to you. What we're going to do is we're going to give them a little fry off, a little gentle fry off first, and then we can move on with the rest of the recipe. So really simple, you're going to need a skillet or a pan or something. I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. What we're going to do is we're going to pop our sausages in, not too high, nice medium heat, and we're going to throw them around for 6 or 7 minutes. Really easy. Okay, I'm happy just where they are now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out and I'm going to slice them up. So we've got a pan here. I've got olive oil in there, 2 tablespoons. We're going to drop in the 1 cup of onion, the 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to add some salt and pepper now. And we're on slightly above medium heat. I've just put that on. We're going to go for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, beautiful. Next up, we're going to add in our cooked sausage, our broccoli, our bell peppers. I'm just using green. You could use a different color if you want. I'm going to go again for about another 3 to 4 minutes. I like a little crunch on my broccoli. So 3 to 4 minutes there is great. We're now going to add in our spices. Let's just take one more look, shall we? 1 teaspoon each. Paprika, chili, cumin, oregano. A little mix. 1 can of tomatoes. These were a whole plum. I've just roughly chopped them down. 1 can of baked beans. In it goes. Another mix. Let's get the heat now below medium. Let it go for about 5 to 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Look at that. Guess what? Off goes the heat. You've done it. Check it for salt. Check it for pepper. If you want, when you serve that, get some cheese on the top or maybe a couple of fried eggs. Delicious stuff. Okay, there you go. That is lovely just by itself. Or if you want with some nice crusty bread or something like that, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Do subscribe, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up. See you later. Lots of love.